In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Canvas. This can be a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, especially if you're frequently juggling tasks between these two powerful platforms. So let's dive right into it, starting with the very first step. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Zapier website. Zapier is an excellent tool that allows you to automate tasks between different apps and services, eliminating repetitive work and helping you to focus on what's most important. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, if you have an account, simply log in. If not, you can easily create a new one by following their sign-up process. After logging in, look for the option labeled Create within your Zapier dashboard. Clicking this will take you to a new section where you'll find Zaps at the top of the page. Zaps are essentially automated workflows that connect your apps and services together. Now, click on Zaps to start setting up your new workflow. In the next window, you'll need to choose a trigger, which is an event that kicks off your workflow. In the search bar provided, type in Canvas. Be careful not to confuse it with other similarly named apps, and once you locate it, click on it. Choose the specific event that will be used as the trigger. For instance, when a new item is created in Canvas, or when a specific milestone is reached. This choice entirely depends on your specific needs and how you want Notion to respond. Now, it's time to sign into your Canvas account through Zapier. This is essential to connect your Canvas account so that Zapier can access it and automation can be executed smoothly. Once signed in, remember to authorize any permissions Zapier might need to operate these tasks on your behalf. Next, turn your attention to the second part of the setup, the action. In the search bar, type Notion. When you see it in the drop-down menu, select it. This is going to be the app where the magic happens, reacting to the trigger you've just set up. Click on Create Event as your action step. This determines what kind of task or update will occur in Notion whenever a trigger in Canvas is detected. Similarly to the previous step, you'll need to sign into your Notion account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, making sure to authorize the connection fully. Zapier will guide you through any specific options you have for setting up this task, such as choosing which database or page in Notion will be affected. There you have it. By following this straightforward process, you've now seamlessly connected Notion to Canvas, allowing you to automate tasks and save time. As you get more familiar with Zapier, you can explore even more integrations to further enhance your productivity. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to check back for more tutorials and tips.